Hey everybody, this is Ori from OneScales. In today's video, I'm going to cover a really cool feature by Cloudflare called block AI scrapers and crawlers, so blocking them. What is an AI scraper and crawler? Many of you are aware, it's 2024 right now. You know ChatGPT, Gemini by Google, Claude, all these companies are AI machine learning companies that they understand the world at least like you and better, right? You can actually ask ChatGPT, hey, what is, this information? And it'll answer for you. So how does it know that information? It actually crawls around the web. It visits a huge amount of websites and understands how the world is and uses that knowledge to understand you and information. So some of you might want to actually block them because they're actually reading and learning from you guys, and they're actually bypassing you in some cases and your information and your website and giving the result of your information that you worked hard, you spent money, etc. on, and you don't necessarily want to do it. Some people don't want to do it. At OneScales, we don't block. We actually like our information to spread, and we're trying to help people. So we like it to keep it this way, but a lot of you want to block it. A lot of news sites, things like that, actually block it. If you want to block it, all you have to do is go to your Cloudflare account, make sure you click on your website, go to security and bots, and you'll be able to see this new section right here and just turn it on. That's very, very simple. All you have to do is turn it on and it'll block it. So I'll give you an example of some of the bots that it blocks. For example, a GPT bot is the ChatGPT one, a bot that actually, it's basically code that goes and crawls your website and learns. And there's Claude, and there's many, many different things, right? Perplexity as well. So this is just a small list of the bots that go. There's a lot more bots that they're going to block, and I'm sure they're going to update that over time. So you should always consider how your information is used, if others can use it, if they have the right to use it. If you want to block it, you can use things like robots.txt manually to block it, or you can use Cloudflare to just click on the on button and it'll work. It's a really, really nice feature. Just one small thing before we exit this video is you can only use this if you're actually using Cloudflare's routing system. So how do you know if you do that? If you only use Cloudflare for domain registration and DNS, this is not going to work because it actually has to, the traffic has to go through Cloudflare. So if you go here to your DNS right here, and you look at your websites, you need to make sure that your traffic is proxied. If you're using it only for DNS, for example, most of our stuff is used just for DNS, right here, it will not work. You have to have it proxied. So for example, we will only block bots in what we call the tools.onescales.com. So anything you need to actually block, make sure it's turned on via the security bots, and you have to have it proxied, which means the traffic goes through Cloudflare, which means they can actually block it because the traffic is going through them. That's it. If you have any questions about bots in general, Cloudflare, anything we talk about on OneScales, let us know. We're trying to go very, very deep with you guys. So if you have any specific question, no matter if it's for a mass or just for your specific custom case, let us know. This is what we do at OneScales. We try to help you guys. And that's very simply, that's it. If you had any questions, let us know. We have onescales.com, X, Twitter, obviously YouTube in the comments. And if this video helped you in any way, just say hello, subscribe, like, share with a friend. Let us know what you thought about this video. Much, much appreciated. Thank you, guys.